Welcome! I'm Hannah, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly bold text in Excel using a simple keyboard shortcut. Bold text can really help emphasize important information in your spreadsheets, and this shortcut makes it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, select the cell or range of cells that contain the text you want to bold. This is where your bold formatting will be applied. To bold the selected text, simply press Ctrl+B on your keyboard, and just like that, your text will instantly turn bold. If you want to remove the bold formatting, just press Ctrl+B again, and it will toggle the bold style off. Here is a quick tip. You can also use this shortcut on multiple cells at once. Just select the range of cells, then press Ctrl+B, and all the text in those cells will become bold. That's it. Now you know how to easily bold text in Excel with just a keyboard shortcut. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Sheet Leveler for more helpful Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial.